And I think Kushal, for the first time, maybe not for the first time, but for a first time in a very larger sense, this was the war जहाँ पे AI generated content played a very huge role, right? Because the manipulation happened at a very large scale, and you can't blame a side. You can't say that Israel was doing it much, or Iran was doing it much, or US was not doing it. All sides were coming in and trying to manipulate things. किसी ने बुर्ज खलीफा का दिखा दिया कि वहाँ पे अटैक होने वाला है, किसी ने इजराइल का वो टेल अवीव दिखा दिया वहाँ पे कुछ होने वाला है. All these things were coming in and showcased as like we are winning this war and we have dominance, whether it is militarily, whether it is diplomacy. तो एक PR positioning मेरे को लगता है यहाँ AI को use करके भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही थी. Would you agree to that?
Yeah, like in the case of the Emiratis, so they were not even allowing any videos to come out from their side. So also now in the age of social media, I too don't understand what the algorithm of Twitter is anymore. Everybody keeps
Thanks
saying
to Grok.
like my timeline has gone for a toss. Like I don't know what comes up. So now what I do is I literally go, like what is individual person talking about individual things or stuff like that, more than scanning the timeline. I mean, everybody tends to see what they want to see in a conflict, because that's human nature. The Iranians will see a point of view, Israelis will see their point of view, Americans, I don't know what Americans see. Honestly, I am not able to understand. Like वो सुबह उठता है ऑरेंजिया और वो क्या बोलता है किसी को मालूम नहीं होता है.
Orangia.
तो वही है और क्या है, मतलब क्या आदमी है मेरे को तो समझ में नहीं आता और क्या. And it's so hard to like, and like people are trying to make sense of what he's saying. Like क्या उसका सेंस है यार, क्या सेंस है, क्या
कुछ भी
आप कुछ भी सेंस नहीं है यार.
हाँ.
आप उसमें कोई 3D चीजें ढूंढ रहे हो यार. मतलब अजीब आदमी है, सुबह उठता है पता नहीं क्या उसकी इनसिक्योरिटीज हैं लाइफ में, कुछ भी बोल देता है. तो मतलब जो भी आया बोल देना. सो आई डोंट नो हाउ मच AI manipulation has played a role in creating narratives. Honestly, like how would I gauge it? I don't know how to gauge it. I'm not saying it is or it isn't. Like I'm just saying it's so hard to gauge the level of these things. Like for a person like me, right, who tends to read newspapers and books, I think it barely had any impact on my TL.
Yeah.
But then I
Perhaps you
don't
are,
know.
yeah, perhaps you are then someone who is, very well observant of what you are consuming, because at the end you also have to produce content, and your idea means that whatever you will be putting out will be understood by a lot of people. But I think एक जनरल आदमी के लिए ना, जो मतलब इंडिया में कहीं बैठा हो या is sitting in any other tier 1 country, they will be manipulated at a larger scale. That's what I feel about this particular thing.
हो सकता है. You could be right. Honestly, I've not given that much of a thought to this because आजकल मतलब I I तो don't even understand what content is coming out these days. Like I genuinely have stopped thinking about this. It's becoming harder and harder to consume content as a consumer also these days, is because pehle, like again, this is maybe I am like that and the world is not, and there are fewer like me and more like the other side. Look, social media is awesome. It's a net positive. But the point is that when your consumption is less fact, more opinion, you're not learning anything. What is happening these days is, even in YouTube, you're not getting information. Opinion is not information. Opinion is derivation of some information. That's actually
And
not information.